Hello everybody, welcome back to Chef Food and Drinks. Today we are going to make nippattu. It is a spicy and crunchy South Indian snack. This is Mangla Auntie.
Namaskara friends.
It is her recipe and she'll be helping me today. Let's get started. First add 5 cups of rice flour. One cup dry roasted groundnut, 1 cup fried Bengal gram, 15 to 20 red chilies, quarter teaspoon hing, half teaspoon jeera, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds. First grind the red chilies. Next add jeera. Add fried Bengal gram. Add roasted groundnut. The ingredients should be coarsely ground. Mix the ingredients. Add water little at a time. Mix the ingredients. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. If you do, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you friends.